Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add your driver's license or your ID to Cash App. So let's get right into it. Now, your ID or your driver's license or any other valid document for identifying yourself is needed to verify your identity on Cash App. The reason you would do this is because you're either trying to open up a Cash App cash card simply to prove that you're 18 or older, or that you're sponsored, and you can do that, or you can increase your limits also by verifying your identity, which, as I mentioned, is a very useful thing to do. Now, I myself don't have Cash App in my region, so I won't be able to show you guys exactly how that's done with an example. However, I will be using this support article on the Cash App website to explain to you guys how this is done. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, before you start, you do need to have a valid piece of ID. Your driver's license does work for this. However, any other type of ID card works as well. So use whatever you have and make sure it's valid. Now, to actually put it in, you can do this through the process to verify your account or verify your identity. It is available through your account and security tab. So just go there, and to put in a valid picture, you just need to take a picture of your ID, maybe one side, maybe both, in a well-lit and glare-free area, and of course it should be in a dark background. Now, once that is done, you can upload it, and of course check that your license is valid once again. But once you upload it, that should be pretty much it, and after a while your ID will be verified, and that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.